What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Wednesday, July 29th, 2020. Let's go ahead and jump on in, see where the markets are going to be starting the day off at. Gold is up nicely, currently at 1965.08. Silver is steady at 24.45, giving us a ratio of 80.38. Platinum is up slightly, currently at 958.33, and palladium has fallen off some, currently at 2317.70. In other metals markets, rhodium is steady at 8,800. Copper is up 3 cents at 293, and aluminum is steady at $1. Barrels of crude oil are up, currently at 41.42 a barrel. We did see a weak day on Wall Street yesterday. We saw losses in all three major markets. The Dow was down 205 points, closing out at 26,379.28. The NASDAQ was down 134 points at 10,402.09. And the S&P 500 was down 20 points at 3218.44. Futures markets are up ever so slightly on Wall Street, so expect a small little bump at the opening bell. Bitcoin is up. Boy, is it up. We reported yesterday that it was back over 11,000. It is still over 11. It is currently at 11,104.80. And if you guys happen to trade in the Utah Goldback, those are going off at 325 currently. In today's video, we are looking at an interview from Jim Cramer from CNBC. I know a lot of us don't like CNBC. I get it. I understand. But if you guys don't listen to Jim Cramer, then he's, I can't help you. He's got a lot of interesting things, a lot of very good viewpoints, one of which is here. It is important to have at least 10% of your assets in gold, but investors can't forget about choosing the days when to get into the market wisely, says CNBC's Jim Cramer. I just don't like the idea that people don't have exposure to gold, but there are days when it is worse to buy gold than other days, Cramer told The Street on Monday when gold hit its new all-time highs after reaching the $19.20 an ounce for the first time since 2011. The comment was part of Cramer's answer to the question, when, as an investor, can I buy gold? Cramer said he struggled with the answer. Quote, I've always said that 10% of your assets should be in gold, and that's what I am unwavering in saying. I thought one day that the government would get mad and print as much money as possible, which is something that has happened in Germany in the 20s and something that happened in France in the 30s, he said. He elaborated on why it is hard for him to answer this question with an example of a gold mining company that he liked for a long time now, Barrick Gold. We've actually talked about Barrick Gold on this channel before. I happen to like Barrick Gold. Well, someone can say that Jim is calling a peak in Barrick Gold because Jim is saying to buy Barrick Gold right now. So philosophically, what would you do if you were me? Do you say you like Barrick Gold running the risk that it is after you liked it at $13, or you've had it doubled? I think I misread that. Apologies. The gold rally seems to be unstoppable upwards be on an unstoppable. Hold on, guys. We need some coffee this morning. There we go. All right, Uncle Sal, we appreciate it. The gold rally seems to be on an unstoppable upwards trajectory this week, reaching all-time highs of 1974.70 in nearby COMEX futures on Tuesday. The August COMEX gold futures were last trading at 1951.90, up 1% on the day. The bullish sentiment is being driven by two major factors, massive money printing and the COVID-19 recovery outlook, Cramer noted. Quote, the gold run is a combination of central banks printing money, but also a pessimistic view on what is going to happen with COVID. The stock market has a much more optimistic view of what happens with COVID, Cramer told CNBC on Monday. I've never seen a moment where you have a coiled spring of good news. But if we don't have a vaccine, just get ready for another one of these things in a couple months. I don't know if people are really ready how long this is going to take. That came to us by the way of Kitco News, as we always love their channel. What is on the wall over my shoulder? Is that a cricket? Right here? That's weird. Oh, let's get him real quick. Looking around the desk, scanning for something we can roll up. There we go. There we go. Done and done. He was already dead anyway. So, guys, what do you think about... Well, let's get back to the topic on hand, and that is gold. Do you guys hold a lot of gold? Probably, I'd say 10% of my wealth is held in gold. I think that would be a conservative estimate, maybe 15%. And precious metals total, I would say that probably close to 50% of my savings is held in precious metals. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think that 10% is the magic number, or do you think it's higher? Be interested to hear what your comments are down below. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. And if you happen to appreciate old IndyXP, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me, guys. It helps me defeat the YouTube algorithm. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on when all the latest and greatest content is going to come out, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can keep notified of when all great content is coming out. Here come the hands. We're getting better right there. There's going to be a card. That is going to be the last greatest video that we have put out. Guys, I've been IndyXP from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.